Welcome to this tutorial on how to get started with Menumium. It only takes 3 simple steps to run your restaurant. Sign up, set up your business information, and set up your food items. I'll walk you through each step in detail so you can follow along and start taking orders right away. First, head over to the Menumium website and click Start Now. You'll be redirected to the login page where you can sign in as a tenant or employee. As the restaurant owner, choose Tenant. You can either log in with an email and password or sign in with Google. In this tutorial, I'll continue with Google. Next, enter your restaurant's basic details: the name, phone number, subdomain, and logo. Then click Proceed. You may see a short onboarding tutorial. You can skip it for now. This is your dashboard, the central place where you'll find all the tools and features to manage your restaurant. Let's start by setting up your business information. From the left navigation, go to Restaurant Management, and then click on Business Information. Here, you'll add your restaurant details. Your name and phone number are already filled in from sign up. Now select your country, state, city, and time zone. Click See More to add email, address, and other details. Your restaurant logo is already in place, but you can update it anytime. Once done, click Save. Now let's add your food items to the system. Navigate to Menu Setup Management and click Food Management. Before adding food items, you need to create categories. Click Category Management, then Create Category. Fill in the category name, description, type, menu selection, if you have multiple menus, and set the availability status using the toggle. Upload a category image. Make sure it follows the supported formats. Click Create to save your category. In the same way, I have created all these categories that are shown in this list. You can also create subcategories by providing the subcategory name, description, and image. The 3-dot menu gives you quick options like Status Toggle, Quick View for Category Overview, Edit Details, and Move to Trash. Time to create your first food item. From the left navigation, go to the Food Setup. Click on the Create Food button. Enter the basic information. Food name, select the category we just created from the drop-down. You see, you have an option here to directly create a category. Add a description, menu type, age limit, set the availability status, and upload a food image. Click Create and Continue to move to the next step. Now you can set up variations and pricing. First, enter the base price of your food item. You can select the stock type of the item you're creating. If you offer variations like sizes or options, enable the toggle and add the different variations along with their additional prices. I'm adding variations here for the food item I created. You can also apply discounts to your items by price or percentage. I'm setting a 5% discount with specific start and end dates for the promotion. Click Save and Continue to add the food item. Menumium allows you to add add-on groups, labels, cuisines, and even recipes with ingredients. My entire food list is ready. You can also import data if you have an already existing list. The View Trash button gives you a list of the foods that were moved to the trash. Use the left sidebar to set up add-ons and select cuisines for food items. For label setup, you can choose from the default ones or create new ones. Also, you can select individual or multiple labels together to change their status or move them to trash. Menumium also lets you add menu types like Kids Special or Brunch Special. This way, our entire food setup is done. Navigate to Menu Management in the sidebar. When you create food items, they're automatically assigned to your default menu. You can create multiple menus, but only one can be active per branch. Let's set up your point of sale system. Go to POS Management in the sidebar. From the left navigation, click on New Sale. Here, you'll see the full POS layout, with details on both the left and right panels. Just like you get a default branch and menu when you sign up, Menumium also sets up a default counter so you can start taking POS orders right away. Let's place an order so you can see how it works. First, click on the food item and add it to the cart. On the right side, choose the order type. Notice the token number is generated automatically. You can select whether the customer is a walk-in or add a new customer by entering their name, phone number, and email. If you want, you can also connect a table with this order. Just enter the number of persons, choose the floor number, and then select from the available tables on that floor. The cart list shows all items added to the order. Below that, in the billing section, you'll find a full price breakdown. From here, you can apply an extra discount or a coupon discount. Let's go ahead and add a $5 discount. Next, choose whether the customer wants to pay first or after eating, and then select their preferred payment method. At this stage, you can either place the order or hold it. I'll place the order now. Once the order is placed, you'll see a pop-up with invoice options. Menumium lets you print invoices for a specific user, like the customer or the kitchen, or print the entire one, or skip printing if you prefer. Clicking View Order takes you to the order details page. In the same way, you can set other features like website setup from where your customers can directly place online orders. Set a QR code menu for customers to scan, and without you having to reprint the menu again and again. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your Menumium restaurant management system. Thank you for watching. Start managing your restaurant the smart way with Menumium.